Hi sewing friends, I'm Alice Murray. Welcome to my channel. This is day 116. Is it 116? It's 116. Somehow we made it to day 116 of 365 sewing makes. Makes that I have made and am showing you. And I critique the patterns and I critique the fabric and I critique my abilities, which are improving, I gotta say. So I'll show it to you and then we'll talk. Joey is getting bored. He would like me to stop and pick him up. He is my biggest sewing critic. He wishes I would just sit still in one spot on a chair so he could sit on my knee. So this little jacket, this shiny top, I showed you on day 49, and I'll link that video at the end so you can see the details about it. But what I wanted to show you is this jacket. It's made out of quite a light corduroy, probably too light of a corduroy for a jacket, but I used it anyway, and there's no pattern. I drafted this pattern myself. And what I did is I saw a jacket like this on somebody or other, probably on TV, and decided to try to make it myself. And so what I did is just made it straight down and put this little curve in the bottom, cut it up. I put a facing that covered the point and all of the collar that would be showing. I didn't put any closures on it. I made the sleeves a little too short. I wish I would have put some darts in the back, and I might still do that. But yeah, I look at people all the time, especially people like news anchors, where they're sitting still so you can get a good look at them and, you know, kind of check out what they're wearing. They, I think, usually try to be kind of in style. And then from that, I get ideas of things I'd like to do. A couple days ago, I was talking about ways that you can sew for less money. And one of the things I didn't mention is that you can self-draft patterns. And so yeah, that's what this is. It's a self-drafted pattern. And you know what? I think it's okay. I don't think anybody is going to win any awards for this design, but I accomplished what I set out to do. So I think that's good. And this fabric is from the discount area at Fabricland, where I get most of my fabric. You can get it at 70% off, $4 a meter. And, you know, when you have fabric that's that inexpensive, you can definitely feel emboldened to, you know, try something and see how it works out. And I think this worked out okay. And in my grateful thread today, something I wanted to talk about is something that a couple people have said to me, and you know, several people have asked me, is what are you going to do with all of those clothes? And you know, some people ask it in kind of a nice way, and a couple people have asked it in kind of a not a nice way. And yeah, 365 garments. That sounds kind of like a lot. Well, first off, I don't know if I'm going to make it to 365. Um, Thank you for having faith in me if you believe I'm going to. I'm going to try. Um, and secondly, yeah, that sounds kind of hoggy of me to have 365 garments. Um, so, but what I'm going to do with them is wear them as much as possible, though they will all fit me because I made them to fit me. And, you know, a lot of the more casual ones I will definitely wear. And some of the dresses and whatnot, I will also wear those to church on Sunday. And I have two daughter-in-laws who are about my height. And hopefully I can take in some of them for them because they are still in the working world. Any that they like, I may not have the same taste as them. I also have a beautiful daughter, and I have made some things for her, and maybe someday we can see that. And I'm not going to sell any. I don't think they are of the quality to sell. I'm learning on them, so I don't think I wouldn't feel comfortable selling them to anyone. But something that I am thinking about, and I would like you to think about it with me, is I would like to think about a way that I can use this experience, this challenge, all that I've learned, all that turned out well, all that didn't turn out well, and kind of package it up into some kind of, you know, entertainment thing, you know, maybe some sort of fashion show. I don't know. I'm in early stages. But I know they're always doing fundraisers for women's charities like homeless shelters and breast cancer research and, you know, things like that. And so I am hoping that somehow, if I make the 365 days, that there is somehow I can pay this forward in a way that raises funds for women's charities. So if you have any ideas, I am more than open to them. And I would be so grateful for your thoughts on that. So in the meantime, I hope that you are sewing, because sewing is so much fun. Talk to you again tomorrow.